Hello, hello. Looks like we're all here. Okay, so I'm trying to do the recording in real time at the same time. We'll see if I can pull that off. Okay, so if I share my whole screen. First thing I wanted to show you was the Flow Tricast. So this is an application, and we'll get you guys to install it here in just a moment, but let me walk you through basically what it does. This is the application that enables us to do our, fancy little video mixing. So for example, here, I have to tell it which window to put behind me. And there we go. You can see how we've mixed these. So there's actually a lot of functionality behind this, but what we've done is literally taken an open source tool and made a simpler front end on it because the open source tool was so difficult for our customers to use. We do not sell this separately. It's just part of the Flow suite of products, and you can run with it. So essentially what you've got is a couple of scenes here. You can have the camera full screen, which is my video. You can have the camera in the lower right and share a window behind you. You can go ahead and just show the Flow window itself. And obviously this will be, as I interact with this video, with the main view, you can see that interaction is occurring also in the feed here. I can't show both of them at the same time. So which one is on top of which? But once you get this started, this actually shows up as an option. This feed shows up as an option in your video, in your cameras. So this is the kind of thing where it's really hard to demonstrate this because Zoom doesn't share it doesn't share its own windows with Zoom. So I had to just take a screenshot, and I will paste the screenshot of what Zoom is doing into a little video viewer.
Jason, we can actually see the Zoom window when you went to take the screenshot. So,
oh, you can see that. Okay.
Just when you were in that screenshot mode, we could see it.
Ah, nice. Okay, so I'll do that. So let me go into screenshot mode. There, you can see that I can pick the Flow Tricast virtual camera as one of my options. Is that visible?
Yes.
Super. And it's as simple as that. There's other sets about, well, how do we start multi-user meetings and those kinds of things. But if you'd like, we can go ahead and have you guys download the installers and try them out. It's a little alpha version at this point, so you'll have a few extra things to click through. But before I go on, I just want to get a sense. There's so many things that we can talk about at Flow. I just want to get a sense if the Tricast app, if you would like to try that right now, or if you would just like to get instructions on how to download it. Dick says he wants to try it now. Anyone else?
Hey, Jason, before we go further, is there any way that I can join the other group?
Oh, so you could, except what we're doing actually is we're both covering the same material. I'm covering half of it, then we're going to split in half, and then Michael will take you guys and show the same thing that he's showing now. So everybody's going to get the same material all day today.
Oh, I see. Okay. I thought I was missing out on the mobile stuff.
No. We'll do the mobile stuff. We'll go back to him, and you'll get the mobile AR as well.
Perfect. Thanks.
So we got at least one taker to do the download here. I have put this link into the chat window. Let me know if you see that or if you don't see it. And this is the Mac instructions. Windows, I didn't even do any instructions because it's so straightforward. You will need to, based on your system, some people's systems are set up to not like to download exe files, so therefore I have zipped the application both on Windows and on Mac. And on Windows, it's straightforward. You just double click and install it. It will pop up a message saying, hey, this hasn't been verified, and it's an unverified publisher. And yeah, we know. We'll improve that a little bit. I don't know if we'll ever put this in the App Store for Mac. So on the Mac download, you'll want to right click and select open. Otherwise, you're going to get the Flow Tricast cannot be verified message. So let me pause there and see if any questions, comments, problems. All right. Is there? Okay. On the Mac, we have not finished the implementation where it would automatically set up your preferences. And the preferences file is actually really important. So you need to go through this step of putting the Flow Tricast zip, unzipping it into this directory, library application support folder. Would someone like to share their screen and show us what they're doing so I can get a little feedback on whether this is working or not? Any volunteers?
I can. I'm almost done with the process, though.
Sure. Go ahead and